Are you making the biggest mistake in crypto? Most new investors chase explosive returns without a plan, spreading themselves too thin or doubling down on risky bets. But there's a smarter way to build wealth. Today, I'll show you how to diversify like a pro, manage your risk, and position your portfolio for long-term success. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the BitBoy. If you're ready to upgrade your portfolio strategy and maximize your gains without unnecessary risks, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's dive into why diversification is the ultimate game changer for your portfolio. Many new investors enter the crypto space hoping to strike gold, only to end up with portfolios full of random coins that don't align with their goals. They chase explosive returns, ignore fundamentals, and overexpose themselves to risky bets. Without a solid plan, these investors are setting themselves up for sleepless nights and unnecessary losses. Experienced investors understand the power of balance. They allocate only about 30% of their portfolio to foundational assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, recognizing their stability but also their slower growth potential compared to other crypto sectors. Instead of overloading on blue chips, they devote the majority of their portfolio to high growth opportunities across sectors like AI, DeFi, Layer 1 platforms, and RWAs, or real world assets. They also preserve a small portion for speculative plays, including low cap gems, ecosystem tokens, and meme coins with high upside potential. This strategy captures the explosive growth of the crypto market while also minimizing the risks of being overexposed to any one type of asset. To maximize gains, a diversified crypto portfolio should prioritize high growth opportunities while maintaining a stable foundation. So let's break it down. Start with 30% in Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the pillars of stability, offering a solid base for long-term growth. While their growth may not match smaller assets, they anchor your portfolio during volatile periods. Allocate 60% to high growth opportunities. This is where the magic happens. Include top tier altcoins like XRP, Ondo, and Sui, which have strong narratives and solid fundamentals. And don't forget sector leaders like Tau, Render, and Pyth, which are poised to capitalize on emerging trends in AI, DeFi, and RWAs. This portion of your portfolio captures the most upside potential from projects driving innovation in the crypto space. Finally, dedicate 10% to speculative plays, including low cap altcoins, ecosystem tokens, and meme coins like WIF, what I believe to be the clear leader of this cycle's meme coin race. These investments are high risk, but offer the chance for outsized returns if you hit the right projects at the right time. With WIF leading the charge, the segment of your portfolio ensures you're positioned for explosive growth while keeping risks in check. The key to maintaining this balance is regular rebalancing. As your portfolio grows, adjust your allocations to align with crypto market conditions and your evolving goals. Diversification isn't just about minimizing risk, it's about maximizing opportunity. A strategic plan gives you clarity and confidence, helps you avoid panic selling during market dips, and it keeps you from chasing FOMO-fueled rallies. By following a clear blueprint, you can make decisions that align with your long-term vision instead of reacting emotionally to short-term volatility. Revisit your portfolio periodically, checking that your allocations still match your strategy. This proactive approach ensures that you're consistently optimizing your portfolio for the market environment. So, are you ready to diversify smarter and unlock your portfolio's potential? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. What's your current allocation strategy? And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to join the most informed crypto investors on YouTube. The bull run is heating up. Are you prepared? That's all I've got. Be blessed. Good boy out.